Introducing the Ulike Air 10 IPL laser hair removal device, designed for both women and men seeking nearly painless, effective, and long-lasting hair removal from home. Featuring 65 degrees Fahrenheit ice cooling contact, this device ensures a comfortable treatment experience. The dual lights and skin sensor technology provide precision, while the SHR mode enhances efficiency. Achieve salon-quality results with the convenience of home use, making hair removal simpler and more comfortable than ever. Introducing the Todd Beauty Sonic Smooth, a 2-in-1 dermaplaning tool that combines sonic technology for effective facial exfoliation and peach fuzz hair removal. Designed specifically for women, this advanced system gently removes dead skin cells and fine hair, leaving your skin smooth and radiant. With 8 weeks of safety edges included, the Sonic Smooth ensures a safe and precise experience. Achieve a fresh, glowing complexion at home with this professional-grade beauty tool. Pantene Provitamin Essence Daily Repair Mist, the ultimate solution for damaged hair. This powerful mist is infused with active provitamin B5 to rebuild strength, repair bonds, and reduce breakage. Ideal for daily use, it helps restore your hair's vitality and resilience, leaving it stronger and healthier with every spray. The 2.5 fluid ounces size makes it perfect for on-the-go care, giving you salon-quality results at home or wherever you are. Introducing the Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, an award-winning anti-humidity treatment that keeps your hair frizz-free and shiny, no matter the weather. This innovative spray creates an invisible shield around each strand, locking out moisture and ensuring a smooth, glossy finish. Perfect for all hair types, it delivers long-lasting protection against humidity, leaving your hair sleek and radiant for days. Achieve salon-quality results with this must-have styling essential. Presenting Dr. Scholl's Hard Skin Remover Nano Glass Foot File, the perfect tool for achieving soft, smooth feet. Crafted from durable nano glass, this hygienic pedicure tool efficiently eliminates calluses and dead skin. Designed for long-lasting use, it helps maintain foot health by gently exfoliating and smoothing rough areas. Experience a professional quality pedicure at home and enjoy the feel of beautifully refreshed feet.